Hello, Chef here. Today I've got this Meyer lemon. It's a very special lemon. I'm doing a few things with this, but very quickly I'm going to show you the zester in use. You just take the zester and you grab the lemon and give it a twist like this. Now you want to be careful not to smash your lemon. I just want to remove some of this outer zest. As you may know, the zest contains a lot of essential oils, vitamins, and other things, but the main thing is the flavor is unbelievable. And a lemon like this is very, very special, and I want to use as much of it as I can in a few different dishes. So the zest is going to end up in some muffins, and I may be back to show you those. The rest of this lemon is going to be used for primarily hot tea. A little bit of the juice may end up in the muffins as well. I'll be right back to show you the rest. Okay, here's the zest. I've got a small ramekin that I'm using to collect my zest. This will end up in my muffins. And the rest of this lemon, I'm going to very quickly slice it up for you and show you. Wow, look at that. Amazing. Thank you, farmer. And we're going to slice it like this. This is going to be used for hot tea, and part of this lemon will end up in the muffins. I like to slice them very thin for hot tea, and these actually are going to end up getting dried out. I'm hitting some of the seeds, but that's okay. The ceramic knife cuts right through very easily. Okay, there we go. Good enough. Those are my lemon slices. Show them to you. Okay. Wow. Now I'm going to take these, and to dry them effectively, I'm going to put them on a pizza stone. I'll be back. Okay, I've got this heavy-duty pizza stone. If you don't have these or the knives, you know where to go. I'm just going to line these up, and they're going to air dry, and they'll be very, very dry, ready for hot tea or other recipes within just a few days. Once you line them up like this, you are good to go. They shouldn't be touching, and that's it right there. The rest of this lemon is going to end up in some muffins. Thanks for watching. Support your sponsor. Have a great day. The dry lemon after 1 day. The dry lemon after 1 week. The dry lemon in the tea. Kyocera ceramic chef knives, santukos, and all of the high quality tools can be found at your sponsor. That is chefdepot.com.